In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Snowflake worksheets. If you're working with Snowflake, you know that organizing and exporting your SQL queries is an essential skill. Whether for backup purposes, sharing with colleagues, or migrating your work to another environment, the ability to seamlessly export your worksheets can save you a lot of time and hassle. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to export your Snowflake worksheets, ensuring that your valuable work is preserved outside the platform. First, let's begin by opening your desired worksheet within Snowsite. This is where all your SQL scripts are stored and ready for export. Now, with your worksheet open, we need to select the entire content. To do this, you simply need to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. This command will highlight all the code in your current worksheet, effectively selecting everything for your export process. A quick tip here. It's always a good idea to quickly glance through your selected code to ensure everything you need is highlighted before proceeding. Once you've confirmed that all your code is selected, the next step is to copy it. This is straightforward. You'll use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, which will copy the selected content to your clipboard. Remember, it's crucial at this stage to ensure that your selection is correct so nothing is left behind. Having your entire worksheet on the clipboard means you can easily transfer it to another application without any issues. Now, the next move is to paste the copied code into your preferred text editor. You might use a simple tool like Notepad, or perhaps a more advanced one like VS Code. The choice of text editor is largely personal preference, although VS Code offers a few additional features that can be beneficial, such as syntax highlighting for easier readability of your SQL code. Once you've opened your chosen text editor, simply paste your copied code right in. You can achieve this by using the paste keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. This will efficiently transfer all the copied content from your Snowflake worksheet into your text editor. The final step in this process is to save your work. You'll want to save your file with a .sql extension. This format is a standard extension for SQL scripts and will ensure that the file can be easily recognized and utilized in other SQL-compatible applications or environments. When saving your file, you can give it a descriptive name that reflects its contents or purpose, aiding future retrieval and understanding. And there you have it. A simple and efficient method to export your Snowflake worksheets, preserving your valuable work for any future needs. With these steps, you now have the ability to back up, share, or transfer your SQL scripts with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.